Wikiprocedure.com welcomes you for another session on how to apply for National Contract Carriage Bus All India Permit in Andhra Pradesh. The link provided below here will help you in reaching our site wikiprocedure.com and the page Andhra Pradesh apply for National Contract Carriage Bus All India Permit. And in this page you can select the language which is suitable for you by selecting the tab provided here. And also in this page we provided the detailed procedure along with information and instructions which are helpful for a new applicant to understand the procedure and complete at ease. And also you can see few links for external websites and forms which are very important for completing the procedure, and you will be knowing the importance of these links in the due course of our presentation. The list of items covered in this session today includes need for National Bus Contract Carriage All India Permit, documents required, how to apply, eligibility, validity, fees, processing time, offices and contacts, online resources and other information. This procedure is sponsored by wikiprocedure.com for you. Let us see the need for National Bus Contract Carriage All India Permit. Actually, contract carriage for bus is required for operating a bus for a particular purpose. In this regards, it can be operated to an institution or a company or an organization to transport those employees or staffs for the contract period. So application can be made for a permit in respect of a contract carriage bus permit. One cannot operate his bus without this permit throughout India. Contract carriage means a motor vehicle which carries a passenger or passengers for hire and is engaged under a contract on a fixed or on an agreed rate or sum. Basically on a time basis with reference to any route or distance from one point to another. So this is how we used to see bus which carry particular organization staffs from the pickup point, and again it drops them in the evenings. Let us see the documents required. Application forms can be obtained from the following link. Two application forms 48 and 46 is required. I will show you the link for the forms and respective forms. So this is the main forms links for permit related needs, and this is form 48 and this is form 46. We have given the direct link which can be accessed through our website. The registration certificate of the vehicle, of course, fitness certificate of the vehicle, insurance certificate of the vehicle, proof of payment of tax for the current quarter to the home state, authorization fee 500 in the form of treasury challenge, demand draft drawn in favor of authorities prescribed in respect of other state towards payment of composite taxes, meaning for other states whatever the applicable taxes we have to pay, payment of green tax wherever applicable, or the documents required for this procedure. Let us see how to apply in person. To apply for National Bus Contract All India Permit in Andhra Pradesh, the applicant has to go to the respective RTO concerned for his area. Don't worry if you don't know your RTO, please use the link provided here. This will take you to the contact page of the Andhra Pradesh state portal, through which you can further filter down your local RTO address and mark it. Please go there. As I said, you can download these forms with the help of these links. Make sure you have all the necessary documents in hand while going there for applying for this procedure. Application forms can also be obtained directly from the RTO office on your visit. So collect these forms, fill it and attach all the said documents and present it to the officer there. He will mark the amount which you need to pay for this permit, and the respective counter you have to submit these documents. Upon submission of documents and payment of fees, authorities will accept and they will start processing your application. The main and important verification of the vehicle, including the condition of the vehicle, body build, seating arrangements, and the other mandatory things will be taken care by the authorities. After checking the vehicle for its correctness and other appropriate requirements, the application will be processed to grant you National Contract Carriage Bus All India permit. And nowadays you can check the slot availability for your turn with the help of the link provided here. But booking can be done at the time of actual online procedure. Please use this link to reach our online portal for slot availability. So this is the slot availability page. Select the respective column like district and test center. Upon check availability, you will get this calendar. This is the current month calendar, displays what are all the next available dates in green mark. So select the appropriate dates as per your requirement with respect to application. Let us see how to apply it through state portal. So it is online procedure. So application for National Bus Contract Carriage All India permit can be made through the link provided below this e-Pragati site. I will show you the online procedure site. So this is the page you will get on selecting the link. So upon permit, select permit services. So when you select permit services, you will get a new screen. So this is something related with the new permit. So select new permit and say next. You will be taken to a new window where you have to select the permit type. It is a primary or a temporary, so it is primary, and registration number of the vehicle you should mention. You can use Aadhaar number or voter ID here to go to the next page. So use any of these options, and accordingly you have to select the type of scanning the finger and say I agree, and then say hey next. You will get the new screen where you have to enter the details which are prompted and upload all the required documents initially to complete the application procedure. Once all the inputs are done, you will get an acknowledgement to go to the RTO office on a set date. Please take printout of the acknowledgement and online application form, and take all the documents as we mentioned. Go to the RTO office before 11:30 a.m. on the set date. Present it to the officer there. He will mark the amount and ask you to pay it in the counter. Pay the money and submit the documents to the officer at the counter. From there, the actual physically personally application procedure will take care to grant you the National Contract Carriage Bus All India permit. Eligibility: you should be the owner of the vehicle in order to apply for this procedure. Validity: permit is valid for 5 years. The age of the vehicle is also considered to restrict the validity of the permit. Note: validity differs with the type and the class of the vehicle. Fees: please use this link to get the page where you will have information related to service provided and the fees which is required to be paid for each services. So you will be better informed before reaching the RTO about the amount which you need to carry for the required service. It takes 5 working days to get the permit as far as the processing time is concerned. Officers and contacts: Transport Commissioner, Government of Andhra Pradesh, State Transport Department, Vijayawada Road, Punamatota, Andhra Pradesh 10. Phone number, email ID are provided here for personal interaction with the department. And this is the Andhra Pradesh contact details of the RTO office. And please use this link to identify the respective heads, and you can reach them over the phone or email ID provided here. And online resources: we have seen the permit related form requirements and RTO contacts with the help of these websites. The information provided in these websites are very much important for completing the procedure, as I said earlier. So we have provided these websites as links in appropriate places to save your valuable time in our page for this procedure. Other information: the type and seating capacity of each such vehicle for National Bus Contract Carriage All India should be notified to the authorities. FC for clearance is a process meant for reviewing the condition of the vehicle by the RTO authorities. Hope you enjoyed this video. and would like you can click on the subscribe button and like button to support us. We will be supporting you with such many more procedures for your need. Thank you once again for visiting wikiprocedure.com to know how to apply for National Contract Carriage Bus All India Permit in Andhra Pradesh.